WhatsApp is the most popular mobile messaging app in the whole world with over 2 billion users. And WhatsApp Business has only made things better and amazingly beneficial for about 50 million businesses globally. Launched in 2018, WhatsApp Business is a free app with a number of features for businesses of any size. Even if you're not going to build a WhatsApp chatbot, there are many great things for you in WhatsApp for Business to take advantage of. 5 WhatsApp Business features you should know. Business Profile. Create a business profile with helpful information for your customers like your address, business description, email address, and website. Business accounts help brands to gain a user's loyalty. A business profile gives the company a familiar face and identity. To have a verified badge next to your company's name, WhatsApp has to confirm that this is a verified business account. Steps to add details about your business. Go to WhatsApp Business app, open Settings, Business Settings, and then Profile. Quick Replies. If you have an online store, then you know that customers tend to ask about the same thing over and over again. WhatsApp Business Quick Replies are a way to reply to messages without having to type out a full response. You can add up to 50 quick replies and assign shortcuts and keywords to use them during conversations. Just press / and the list of your quick replies will appear. It's a good idea to prepare a list of canned responses for your frequent questions and situations, such as sending thank you for your order messages. Automatic greeting message. WhatsApp for Business enables you to create a greeting message that users will receive when they start a dialogue with your company or after 14 days of inactivity. By sending an instant message, you welcome and introduce a company to a new potential customer with no delays and waiting time. Steps to set up a greeting message: Settings, Business Settings, Greetings message. From here, you can create a new greeting message or edit an existing one. Label contacts. Businesses can organize their contacts and categorize them with labels for easy access. This way, you can easily search through your contacts and keep them grouped and organized. Steps to add a label to a new contact. Click the menu button on the client's chat page. Choose a label and then save. Steps to add a new label. Click on the menu button on the client's chat page, click New Label, and then click Save. Setting away message. Away messages are like greeting messages. They send a custom message to people who are trying to connect with the company after your working hours. You can write a custom message or send your working hours. You can set up for them to activate at a chosen time. Steps to set up an away message. Settings, Business Settings, Away message. Activate away message. You can also edit your away message from here and schedule when you want to send this message. You can choose from Always Send, Custom Schedule, or after your work hours. So all the business owners out there, if you're looking to improve your marketing strategy or customer care, using WhatsApp Business is a great idea. Give it a try yourself.